The root cause of the emergence of China's overachiever kings is that they do not understand what customer value is, let alone how to create unique customer value. The famous Chinese strategic expert Dr. Zhang Ruxiang proposed the strategic performance law in Surviving the Second Half, from page 284 to page 290. Making money equals spending money equals customer value equals self-value. He used the story of Wang Yongqing from Formosa Plastics Group and Sam's Club to tell everyone how to create sustainable profits through extreme attention and unremitting pursuit of customer value, because all profits ultimately come from the maintenance and improvement of long-term customer value. To create unique customer value, we must understand that, in fact, customers spend money as an investment. As investors, consumers spend money in the hope that the return is greater than the cost of expenditure. Customers believe that the greater the return, the more willing they are to spend money. This is customer value. This value is based on the premise of high-quality products and services, and creates cognitive value for customers. The booming development of Made in China is only a short 40 years, but no company has experienced an economic downturn. Unlike companies in capitalist countries such as Europe and the United States, which have experienced hundreds of years of cyclical ups and downs, they are experienced in the face of market changes and have formed their core competitiveness. They understand that the secret to continuous profit is to create unique value to obtain high premiums and generous returns, while relying on excellent team execution to ensure high efficiency of operations. The biggest problem for Chinese companies at present is that few companies understand what an economic downturn is and what customer value is. Most of them are lost in the inertia of short-term thinking in the upward dividend period of so-called explosive products, network traffic, and marketing, but they are unaware that winter is coming and death is approaching. But difficulties are rewards for tough guys rather than punishments in a market economy. In a certain segment of each industry, China has a group of companies that are conscientiously doing business. They have been committed to the development of the industry and the creation of customer value. In the past impetuous business environment, bad money drove out good money. Now the economic downturn is a good opportunity for these companies to show their talents. UKO is a professional export company in a subdivided field with an international perspective. Under the guidance of Dr. Zhang Ruxiang's long-term strategy, it is committed to enhancing the value of global equipment and making the world love Chinese people more. It uses its meager strength to influence upstream and downstream companies to survive the second half together, so that China in 2035 can also have millions of small and medium-sized enterprises, just like those century-old stores in Europe, the United States, and Japan. Only in this way will our country truly have a solid economic foundation.